Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to talk to you about cleaning up some small pieces, nuts and bolts. Now, we did take this out of an engine and I understand that you may not be able to reuse these, but this is a good opportunity to kind of show you some, I guess, creative ways of blasting some parts. As you can see here, I have a cricket basket. What we're gonna do is put this in the machine. We're gonna blast these parts and I'm gonna rinse them off inside here, dry them off as well, and then you'll see the results. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Nikki back after we have blasted those nuts and bolts in the cricket basket. Take a look at how nice this finish looks. Also wanted to mention to you that we build a tumble basket. So if you have a lot of really small parts, you're gonna be able to use the VH900 with the tumble basket to be able to roll those parts. It's gonna be vapor honing them as they're rolling. That's something that we can definitely get you information on. Give us a call back today at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.